know what? Screw this. Let's go ballin'. Grasp.
You dog's gonna let that slide, little bro? Hell no. I'd win.
Yeah, much stupidity happening. Not happening here. Kobe.
That's just pure luck, dude.
What's just pure luck? That I scored it in? You must actually suck.
Shut up, man.
It's not that bad. Now let me cook like it's a video game.
Motherfucker. Huh?
You still breathing or alive?
Yes, I am. Why would I die, though?
Oh, thank goodness, because let's not fail the mission. Because, like, oh!
It's time to get some girls. Is that a dragon?
Oh, so you actually got her alive?
What do you think?
Well, that's just great. A 10v1? Not even fair. I'll make sure all you piece of craps cry like
Girl's
little
not the
babies.
main character. What's that?
9/11. Hey, Ghetto, did you know the South Tower just got hit?
Shut up. Nobody cares.